I'm Zosha. I'm a business owner from Denver, Colorado. So it was about 6 years ago, I went to the doctor for a physical, my annual physical, and when my blood test came back, it showed that I had very high sugar numbers, blood sugar numbers, and I was very shocked because I thought I leaded a very healthy lifestyle. And so I changed my diet and I changed my exercise routine, and I was able to bring those numbers down. And in the process, I found this supplement called Sugar Shift that really has been a life changer for me. And I've been using it for several years now, and it helps me keep my numbers down. I can have, a glass of wine every once in a while, and I can have a piece of cake. But when I do, I take my Sugar Shift.